Hello and welcome, Brett here with Clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to be discussing the importance of external links, and I'm sharing my screen with you now. Okay, so throughout the content, you're going to want to make sure you include links to outside websites, okay? Now, the way we do this is through external linking, and an external link is a link that goes from the inside of your website to the outside of your website. So we're linking outside to someone else. Now, from a business point of view, and maybe even a common sense point of view, don't link out to your competitors who are offering the same services as you. That doesn't make sense. You don't want to send traffic to people who are doing the same. You don't want to send your customers to somebody else. So what do? We want to link out to websites that are very authoritative and very credible and also don't compete with us. So for example, if we're a church marketing firm and we work with ministries on church growth, we want to keep people that need help. But we also need to show Google that we're not being stingy with traffic. We're sending people to reliable sources. We're referencing reliable sources. Well, what's a reliable source? Bible Gateway and Bible verses. So we just have lots of scriptures that are relevant that we actually use here, and we link them over to Bible Gateway. So people can open this and go to Bible Gateway and see the source reference. Cool. So we have external links that are credible. Now, other places you can, link to would be like Wikipedia. And it's like, some people are like, well, I don't really like Wikipedia, or it's not really credentialed or whatever. And that may be the case. So it may be right for you. It may be wrong. One of the good things of Wikipedia is that it is constantly being updated by users. So it's never old, stale content that is going to be looked poorly upon by Google. So you're always going to have a good link there, and that page is never going to go anywhere. It's not going to like go down one day. If Wikipedia goes down, the world has bigger issues than Wikipedia going down. So we want to look for authoritative sources to be linking out to. So that is an external link. In the next video, we're going to get into internal links. Before we end, I would say if you have a 2,000 word piece of content, you want probably 2 to 3 external links for every 1,000 words. And again, it's a rough estimate. There's not really any hard or fast rule. But if you've got a 10,000 word piece of content, like this is quite a large piece of content, it's probably 5,000, you'll notice we've got quite a few external links. And that's totally normal, completely fine. And as many as you need, but I wouldn't have none for sure. So with that, we're going to move on into the next video, and we're going to look at internal links in your blog content. We'll see you there.